Good day everyone. This video is about using the array modifier Blender. This could also be useful for Blender 2.7, but it is recommended that you are using version 2.8. How do we use an array modifier? We'll be using this now, so let's go. Modifiers tag can be found at the right side corner of Blender 2.8. Look for the orange icon and click it. After clicking, it will show you a blank tab with an Add Modifier drop-down above. Click it and you will see the 4 sets of modifiers in Blender. We will not be talking about all of them this time, but we will focus more on array modifier. Let us use this by first clicking it. You will notice that our cube expanded. Before we move on, let me first talk about the axes used in Blender. It has the y-axis, signified by the green line, the x-axis with red, and the z-axis with blue. Why do we need to know this very basic axis? Of course, because here in our array modifier, it is pretty much in use. You can see that it has the x, the y, and the z. These three are the x, y, z axis in the viewport. We also have the constant and relative offset. Above this is the count. This is the number of instances of an object to create, including your object here the cube. Look at the 3D viewport and observe what is happening. There are no gaps between instances. Now let us try modifying it to 1.3. Let us try using the same number of units on the y-axis and setting 0 at the x-axis. Observe. Let us play more and modify the settings so we can observe how it works. Let us use this same unit in the z-axis. Let us try by object offset. For that, we will create another object. Here, let us try to use our ecosphere. Let us check object offset. There you are now. Take note that the constant and relative offset are unchecked. Now, you know how this modifier works. I will not be talking about UVs here and also the other two, merge and first last. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.